Here's how to post items on Facebook Marketplace. If this was useful to you, be sure to like the video and subscribe. If you have something to sell and want to list it on Facebook, I'll show you how. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. You'll find it in the bottom or top bar. Next, tap Sell in the top left and then Create Listing. Choose what you're selling. I'll select Item. Now upload photos or videos by selecting from your gallery or using your camera to take new ones. Once done, tap Done to proceed. Now enter a title, set a price, and select a category. Then choose the condition and add a description with any important details. Next, set your location by tapping Edit, entering your area, and hitting Apply. You can also add extra details like the brand, model, or network provider. At the bottom, you'll see more options. You can hide the listing from friends, share it in multiple groups, or adjust listing preferences. If you don't need them, just skip. Finally, tap Publish in the top right. Your post is now under review. You can manage it by tapping the three dots on the right, and that's it. For more tutorials, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Blast off,